I loved everything. I called our contact person on arrival at London City Airport, and arranged to meet him at the apartment at 10 a.m.
Checking in wasn't easy, and whilst the host was very friendly, it wasn't a smooth process. The cleanliness of the apartment was poor.
Ade, our housekeeper, was there to greet us with a warm welcome even though we were late traveling from Liverpool. I was concerned we would not have anyone to welcome us, but Ade was there. He was so patient. Our apartment was very spacious, comfortable and spotless.
1. Bedrooms had a stale, bow smell. 2. The quarters and upstairs hallway in the flat smelt of onions from other flats cooking. 3. The flat wasn't as clean as I would have liked. 4. No upfront information given at point of booking to give advice on
It is a large apartment in a great location with a view right across to the O2. Communication with the hosts was very good, so we were able to get the keys and get into the apartment in reasonable time from arrival.
When I got there, I was told the penthouse was not available, so was offered a different one. I was disappointed. The replacement apartment was a bit rough around the edges, needed a bit of TLC. I paid £30 for parking underground for 3 nights.